Hello students, we are studying the chapter 1, that is ancient civilization of the world, and before going I am Prasanna, your SST teacher, and today we will studying about ancient civilization of Rajasthan. The first is Kalibanga. Kalibanga is the one of the oldest site which is recovered from Rajasthan. It is located in Hanumangarh district in the bank of river Saraswati, and two mounds of city planning have been found in Kalibanga. Safety walls भी है around these mounds. Evidence of ploughed field सबसे पहले कहाँ पे मिला था? Kalibanga में मिला था, and which is the oldest in the world. Walls were made of bricks and clay, and individual and public drains were found, and garbage collections were extraordinary part of cleanliness system of Kalibanga. And ruins of fire altars कहाँ पे मिला था? Kalibanga में ही मिला था. And drainage system was made of bricks and wood in Kalibanga. And the town planning of Kalibanga is similar to that of Indus-Saraswati civilization. Then comes our Ahar, which is located in Udaipur district in southwestern Rajasthan, and it is the main center of bronze culture. And ये कहाँ पे फ्लरिश हुआ था? बेजतबना सिविलाइज वैली में फ्लरिश हुआ था. एंड यहाँ पे अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉपर की वजह से पीपल वर बिजी इन मेकिंग टूल्स ऑफ मेटल्स. कॉपर मेटल्स से टूल्स बनाने में बिजी थे क्योंकि यहाँ पे अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉपर ज़्यादा था. एंड इसके वजह से दे हैड अ वेरी गुड डेवलपमेंट एंड स्किल्स इन मेटल्स, copper metals, making tools, etc. And houses were found, and open houses का कैसे with an open courtyard है. And about 4 to 6 altars are found in houses. And houses कैसे एक joint family arrangement जैसा houses है in Ahar. And comes Balatar. Next is Balatar, and it is 42 kilometers away from Udaipur. And इसको किसने फाइंड किया था? V.V. Mishra of Deccan College, Pune. He excavated this site. And the glimpse of copper age civilization can be seen in Balatar civilization also. Then comes our features. What are the features of Balatar? First is copper equipment. Many tools were found made of copper, and which is found in Balatar. And it include axes, knives, tangled, arrowhead, chisel, and so many other tools. Stone tools were also found in Balatar. Clay objects such as many sites were found in Balatar. And one of the surface is of coarse and the other is of fine one. And it is mainly of black, red, and dark colored pots are also found. Colored paintings were on the red and black wave were also found in Balatar civilization. Construction work. Huge castle type buildings were found in Balatar, and it is of 3.15 meters tall and 5 meters wide, and it is of 5,600 square meters. And it is made of mud and stones. A house with 11 rooms were also excavated from Balatar. Altars to melt iron were found in Balatar, and the people were mainly farmers. Balatar के people mainly first क्या था? Farmers थे, and then became herders, pottery makers of metal tools. ये सब काम करने लगे थे. Mainly they were farmers. Then comes our Chandravati. ये कहाँ पे है? It is found in the foothills of Mount Abu, and it is on the right bank of कौन से river का? सेवरी river bank के पास में. And it is almost 50 hectares. और इसको डिस्कवर किसने किया था? कॉल जेम्स टॉड ने किया था. 1882 में किया था. In 1918 इंडियंस ज़्यादा सर्वेस करने लगे इस एरिया में. Then remains of huge forts यहाँ से मिला था. And मोस्ट ऑफ द टेम्पल्स, यहाँ से जो भी टेम्पल्स का रिमेन्स मिला था वो हाईली प्लेटफॉर्म्स में क्रिएटेड है विथ ब्रिक्स। स्टैच्यूज जो कि यहाँ से मिला था वो है म्यूजियम्स में अभी भी प्रिजर्व्ड है। माउंट अबू में जो म्यूजियम्स है वहाँ पे अभी भी प्रिजर्व्ड है। 2 फोर्ट्स मिला था ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ सिटी से एंड इट इज ऑफ इक्वल शेप एंड एरिया कितने में 60 into 60 मीटर्स एरिया में स्प्रेड है ये 2 फोर्ट्स एंड रेगुलर वॉल्स, सर्कुलर टावर्स वर ऑल्सो कंस्ट्रक्टेड। फिर है रिमेन्स ऑफ 3 लार्ज बिल्डिंग्स भी यहाँ से मिला था। उसमें से एक रूम में बर्न्ड सीड्स का पार्ट्स मिला था, बर्न्ड सीड्स का पार्ट्स मिला था एंड स्टैच्यूज ऑफ हॉर्स, ह्यूमन्स, ये सब भी यही से मिला था। एंड ऑन द एंट्री रूम ऑफ द फोर्ट इंस्क्रिप्शंस मिला था 1325 रिटर्न डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिला था। एंड आफ्टर परमार के बाद में इस चंद्रावती प्लेस को कौन रूल किया था? देवदा राजपूत ने रूल किया था। फिर उसके बाद में इसका डिस्ट्रक्शन होने लग गया था एंड इन 15th सेंचुरी इसका डिस्ट्रक्शन होने लग गया था। क्यों? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग इस प्लेस को अटैक करने की वजह से इस प्लेस बिकेम वेरी डिस्ट्रॉयड। Many Stone Age tools and paintings were also found from Chandravati region. इससे क्या पता चलता है कि human societies was present in Chandravati in medieval period. It is a major center for trade. Medieval period में यहाँ पे ज़्यादा trade होने लग गया था and after 15th BC it started to be destroyed because of foreign others attack on Chandravati place. Okay, and this chapter is over and homework will be sent to the WhatsApp group. Okay, then bye students, and tomorrow we will be studying about chapter 2. Okay, then bye.